Please subscribe and like these videos, and more is yet to come. We are dividing numbers by one-digit divisor. Number 3 here is the divisor, and 45 is the dividend, and so the answer we'll get is called the quotient. So when we are dividing by one-digit divisor by 2 by 3, we follow certain steps. Step 1, we divide. Step 2, we multiply. Step 3, we draw a line. Step 4, we subtract. And step 5, we bring down. We are going to be following these steps in all our division problems. So we are going to start with dividing. We look at the multiples of 3 and see where 4 is. Multiples of 3 have 3, 6, 9, 12. So 3 is 1 time. So we put 1 here and 3 down. Then the first step is to divide. Our answer is 1. The second step is to multiply. 1 times 3 is 3. Then the next step is to subtract. We are going to subtract here. 4 minus 3, that is 1. Then the next step is to draw a line. Then we bring down 5 to become 15 now. We go back to the first step. We divide 15 divided by 5. We have 15 here in the multiples of 3. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will go 5 times. Then we have 5 times 3, which is 15. We subtract. We get our remainders as zeros. So that is how, those are the steps that we follow. Let's look at example 2. We have our divisor as 4 and the dividend as 56. So we are going to follow our steps. We go to the multiples of 4, look for 5. In the multiples of 4, we have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So in the multiples of 4, we don't have 5. What we have is 4, which is 1 time. So 5 goes in 4, 1 time. And we write 1 times 4, which is 4. Then we subtract. 5 minus 4 is 1. We draw a line to bring down 6. 6 to join the 1 to become 16. In the multiples of 4, we have 16 4 times. So we put 4 here, and 4 times 4, that is 16. So we subtract. We get our remainder as 0. So always when you are dividing numbers, follow these steps. Step 1 is divide, multiply, draw a line or subtract, then bring the number down. Thank you very much.